today with the Big G.
Yes.
And it's not one of us, it's the panel.
Yes.
So
Have
this
you
beautiful
ever...
giraffe is fun.
It is so fun. Have you ever been like with giraffes in person?
Oh, definitely. I've kissed a giraffe.
They're so fun.
They are so fun.
Seeing
They've
them in
got
person?
such tall necks and they're so beautiful. And this one is depicts it so well. And I love the big eyelashes that it has on because they always have beautiful eyelashes on them.
Huge.
So this panel originated from Legit Kids artwork. They're a manufacturer of quilt kits that are paper pieced, would have fun paper piecing quilts to do. All in here, like there's 150 some odd different colors in this panel of these, and they used Kona cottons to do these with when they make their original kits. So what we've done is taken their artwork and their original colors, and we've made it into a panel. So you can use this to quilt on, to practice your quilting if you want to, or you can make it into a beautiful work of art. Because this panel is very vibrant in color and is so striking as an art quilt for the wall.
It sure is. I am not a paper piecer myself, so the panel is a great option for me. Because if you want to enjoy the artwork, but paper piecing is not, your favorite thing to do, you can still enjoy just the art and the beauty of how it all comes together. And we were able to capture that for you guys, and we really hope you enjoy quilting this.
Yes. Happy quilting!